I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be right.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I have this beautiful wig to talk about. We're gonna install her. If you guys want to find out all the details about this beautiful wig that comes looking like this, stick around. I think I found the perfect highlight blonde wig that you don't have to do anything to. Today's hair sponsor is Ashimary. I believe that's how you pronounce the name. I have worked with them many times in the past. What I have installed today is a 26-inch straight 13x4 transparent lace front wig. This is in the highlight balayage color. So this is a customized highlight wig that comes looking like this. The density is 180%.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
We did the main securing down of the wig. Now we're gonna go in and detail it with the Got To Be. Basically, I put it wherever it's light. So wherever it's showing really light, I know that it's actually not secured there. So I just like to spray it on the back of my hand sometimes to just really get it very precise.
Two different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
We gonna get this wig looking good, okay? Like, it already looks good, but you guys, it's gonna look amazing. I just know it. I'm gonna put on my extra tight melting band.
We run out of time and second chances, empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like caught in the midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby.
I am thinking a middle part, you guys. That's what we're probably gonna do today.
I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been
Really quickly, I am just gonna go in with the slightest amount of foundation along the hairline. It does look pretty good, but we just want it to look a little bit better.
thinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on.
Such a beautiful wig, you guys. I didn't tone anything. This is a fresh out of the box install. So this is how the wig comes when you get it. Like, wow. I'm gonna use the Ebon spray from my baby hairs.
Different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life. No
So right now I'm just trying to see like what style will look best with this wig. Thinking it might be a side part. Do I want the part on this side? I think I want it on this side.
By myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
And now I'm gonna clean up the part.
I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
I thought this wig was a HD lace because the transparent lace was giving very much HD. When I put it on, it didn't really need much melting, which I really liked. It's more like an HD transparent lace to me. That's just what I think. What I really love about this wig is everything, okay? I love literally everything about it, but let's list off some of the things that I really, really love. I love the length, I love the density, and most importantly, the fit was really good on this unit, but the color is where it's at, you guys. It is like a 613 mixed with an ash blonde color, and it is flawless. The way they place the highlights, you can wear it off to the side, you can wear it down the middle, and you're gonna have highlights everywhere. It's just so pretty. As you can see, there's highlights all throughout the wig. This is what the back looks like. The images that it has on the website, I would say is truly accurate. It does look exactly like that. No complaints about it. It fits my head really well. It's super comfortable. I actually don't even feel like I have a wig on my head, so that's a really good thing. And my hands are running right through the wig, very soft. No shedding, no bad smell. It's just a beautiful unit, you guys. If you want to check this wig out, all the information to Ashimary in the description box for you. Hands down, one that you need to add to your collection. Like, look at the highlights on this. Look at how beautiful it is. Definitely recommend you guys checking them out. For a highlighted wig, I think it is really good quality. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions for me or comments, leave it in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this install and you enjoyed this review and you enjoyed watching, leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. It helps me continue to bring these reviews to you guys. I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.